Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can register on Bitget app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Bitget app. Make sure you have installed the app on your phone. That is also the crucial part, obviously. And then go to this menu icon on top left, and you can see I'm already registered and signed in. I'm already signed in, right? And register. And for me to register my account, I'll simply have to verify. For me to simply register it with the Bitget, for me to access all the specifications as well. But if you simply want to open your account, then all you gotta do is open up a Bitget app, go to sign in section. You will have three options, which is the Apple ID, Google ID, and your Facebook ID you can use. I have used it, my Google ID. I've tapped on it, chosen a Google account, and continued, and I have logged in. You can also choose to do it by your phone number or email number and adding a new password as well. And that is simply the method. Choose any of the information that you would want and add that, and you will be able to sign in likewise like that. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.